This is a 1946 GMC stake truck, beautifully restored. The chrome work looks like it's been painted aluminum. The rest of the truck is gray and black two-toning. Six-cylinder engine. Oil bath air cleaner looks like it's been changed to regular dry filter type. And there's a stake body. Very popular because you could take those stakes out and have access to the load from the side, as well as the back of the truck. And the cab here looks like it's been completely redone here. Beautiful upholstery here on that seat. And new gauges. That tells you everything. Very nicely done with the original steering wheel, looks like. And has a 5-speed transmission, so I suspect that's brand new, updated. Some of these old trucks had a 4-speed, but that first speed was like a granny gear. Beautiful truck bed. Very, very nice. Nice new taillights. It happens to be for sale at the Daytona Speedway spring meet back in 2018, so I don't know its current disposition, but there are details here on the windshield which you'll see in a minute. Well, it would be a pleasure to work on that engine. Everything's there, very handy. There's the manufacturer's plaque. There you go, 27,500. And notice the windshield does crank out for ventilation. And the paint really is nice. Notice how the headlights are fared into the fenders, and parking lamps above that.